Hey, good morning, everybody. AJ here. We're at day 2 at Guildfield Baptist Church. I just finished unloading a bunch of the stuff here. The mounts, cables, all this other good stuff. Speaker mounts. My brother-in-law helped me yesterday. Well, we dropped off the TVs. One is in here. The other 3 are in the hallway. I still need to get another 32, possibly a 43 to be in here. That's going to be for the multi-view. And did I bring the A10? No, I didn't. Their A10 Mini Extreme is still at home because I'm building a computer for them and I'm gonna link it to that. That's why I didn't bring it here. But the goal for today is to just finish up all the wiring because they want to start doing the drywall. So what I need to do is run my, actually got the X32 compact in. What I plan to do is run the Ethercon cable, put the bulk of it up in the ceiling, run enough down to where that pass through is, run all the XLRs up under the stage so that they could screw that down, glue it down, seal it up, and mainly that's it. I might try and hang the speaker mounts, so hopefully that'll give them a good idea of where I want the electrical to go, because it looks like they actually have put the box here and there are the other TVs right there. But that is what we're going to be doing today, and it is cold in here. I'm glad I wore a sweater and some other stuff. So they got the drywall here, so we're going to get this done and go from there. Let me get my tools and we can get started. All right, so like I said, the goal is to take care of the easy stuff first. Here is, we got a bunch of these with all the X32s I've been using. I have this extra cable. This is going to be the Ethercon. It's going to come up here. All I'm going to do is pull enough to where I'm coming through the plate that I have here and then run it up through there. And then the bulk, if it's going to live up there. So let's do that. All right, folks, I didn't record that much, but we had a pretty productive day. Let me show you what we got so far. All right, so in here we have plate, other mic jack right there, monitor, which was extra, podium mic, another monitor, keyboard, other mic. I'm gonna get some right angle XLR, I believe that is. Get a right angle female so that this will sit flat so I can have some space in there. I'm gonna do that for both of those. But we have all of our cables here as well as our Ethercon connection. So all of our connections to here as well as the speakers that I did put some boxes there. So I need to order another one so I could have plates kind of like that. For easier access and plugging in and all that good stuff. That is done. Also, got the boxes up here for the HDMI pass-throughs. Right there, the cable is there. Other one on the other side. Was able to make a little channel here and made a much bigger hole there. That's 2 inches, so that's more than enough, but we'll pass the HDMI cable through here for the PTZ. That one is fine. Front is fine. So at this point, what I have left in here is to put the speaker mounts on the wall, but I was pretty much recommended not for me to do that because they're going to do a whole lot of drywall and they're concerned about stuff getting damaged. So outside of going back up in the attic, which I'm not going to do today, running the cables for the PTZs, I can actually hold off doing that anyway, because there's no point in me running the cable if I can't actually hang the camera, because they're really concerned about the folks with the drywall damaging it and stuff like that. So no speakers, no anything, but since I'm done here, they're going to seal this up and glue it down, screw it down, and all that other good stuff. I have a lot of slack in all of my cables, so I have, and the path is pretty straightforward, but I think I made a mistake here. So the monitors that they have actually are 1/4 inch, and I don't have that for those. Those are passive. They don't pass power over XLR. So the fact that I do have a clear path here, I can tape off the XLR cable here and get 2 1/4 inches, and then the 1/4 inch is going to have to convert. No, because they're going to plug into the amp that's right over there that's inside of the rack mount. That will send those power. So anyway, I can take off both of these and tape off the XLRs that are there, put the 1/4 inches there, and it should be a straight pull to get everything straight up over there. So we should be good. There's nothing really blocking the path of how I have this. So I wish I had paid attention to that. So that was my fault. But worst case scenario, we'll just have to get them to get powered monitors instead, because we have powered outlets right here. So really not big a deal. But what I'm gonna do now is, I don't know why I'm kidding myself. I ain't gonna do it because I'm tired. But what we're gonna do is I'm gonna move all the rest of my stuff back here. Okay, I'll drop this box. And what I really wanted to do, I wanted to go up in the attic on this side and see if I can get my path. But like I said, I'm tired. We ain't doing that. But that is going to be the next thing. The next thing I want to work on when I come back is to, those are the mounts for the sanctuary, but it's to pull that TV down. I could probably pull the TV down now. And then we'll ultimately probably get my brother-in-law to come and help me put this back up. And I really hope that's not, all right, that's on the outside. I want to pull this TV down, put that one up, and this does come out. And I want to take this down, and this TV is going to go downstairs. So all this extra that's behind here is going to go away. And they already have a pass through here, so I just gotta find that from over here, run my fiber HDMI cable here, because all of this is they did this for audio. So there's already a couple of coaxes HDMI here. Okay, there's one right there. I need to know where the other one goes to, because I might not even need to pull a cable. Oh no, they ran this over an extender. We're gonna get rid of that. I don't even know where that other connects to. But either way, that's gonna be the next mission next time I'm back here. Because technically this isn't that high. This is about as high as it was in the conference room inside of Signs and Wonders. So should be able to hang this myself. But if not, we're gonna get my brother-in-law to help me with that. So again, productive day. Got a mindset of what we're gonna be doing next. And with the cables, with the walls being exposed, it makes it so easy. You know what? I think I'm gonna climb up there just to see what it's like. Hold on. Why do I do this? I set myself up. But let's see. Oh, plenty of space. Plenty of walking space. Oh, Lord, but getting over there is going to be fun. And there's lights. All right. So, there's a cable over there somewhere. I don't see it. But man, they don't make it an easy way to get around here. But either way, then we also got to walk over there to get over to the booth, wherever it is. Man, that's outside? Yeah, I'm losing my bearings of where we're at. That's outside. So that back room should be right over there somewhere. Let me see if I can get over there. All right, I am over this side, and it looks like These are some type of cables. And they're going back to that room. Looks like a couple of these are security camera ones. But I want to see how much I can get over here. Can't see no flooring here. Oh. Oh, why did you do that? Alright, so that's going through there, and that ain't helping me with nothing. Shoot. Alright, so this is an adventure for no reason, but anyway, I kind of got an idea what this is. For such a thick cable, I'm wondering if this is HDMI. It couldn't be power, because if it was, whoever did this did a horrible job. You shouldn't pair power with these type of cables. That's what I'm thinking that is. I'm thinking that is a thick HDMI cable. Anyway, we see what we got to do next time we're up here. And we only got to run one cable this direction, but that means everything else is going to be over on that side that we run our cables to. I'm not going to climb up in that other crawl space. I don't have a mask to be up here, so anyway, we'll bring you back when we're on day number 3, which is probably going to consist of doing everything on this side of the building. Run these cables, start setting up stuff in that back room and things like that. And I can't have this phone up while I'm jumping over here, but anyway, y'all like this type of content, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit that bell notification. That way you get notified when we come out with other videos to help modernize your media ministry. Link is down below to everything that we're using in this install at Guildfield Baptist Church. Thanks for watching, folks. AJ, we'll catch you on the next video. Later.